而家趕住行去Mahanakhon Tower，爭啲記錯時間。而家 Power Walk，盡快行過去。好彩我哋住好近啫，一條街落嚟，爭啲就係遲咗1個鐘頭啦。到而家啱啱好，應該係遲咗5分鐘。
今日嘅 vlog 將會帶大家去曼谷最高嘅 tower， 叫做 The King Power Mahanakhon Tower， 去嗰度睇日落，之後先去揾一個好食嘅店啊！
放我哋嘅嘢，如果我哋 bring any big bag 嘅話 ，King Power Mahanakhon。I have no idea whether it's a mall or what, but 係 combine with 個叫咩 Mahanakhon Cube 嘅。我哋需要問人啊。Okay. Oh, the entrance there. You see, so many people. 應該係。
Long queue is through the ticket counter.
I see. Before we come in, we have to let our backpack to be checked, and now we have to queue up.
要送去之前，所有嘅 backpack 需要俾佢 check。如果你帶 luggage 嘅話，或者 tripod 需要放喺松龍市 station 頭先睇到嘅 locker 入邊。如果唔想喺 Clubs App 嗰度買 ticket 嘅話，你都可以喺佢哋嘅 counter 買。呢個 tower 總共有78層，314米嘅 height。而家我哋排緊隊上去74樓，睇個360度嘅頂角。
Around you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far.
Better look in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we don't have all the flavors.
Oh, this only remains. So the Thai milk tea.
The lychee don't have. Strawberry, dragon fruit, pineapple, and
Only this. 2 Thai milk tea.
I'm so sorry about that.
Nah,
It's okay, it's okay. Don't say sorry. Don't need to say sorry.
What?
Choose this one.
You choosing this one. Okay, then I will see you do the magic. Yep, correct.
Correct. Here now. Can you bring money?
40 baht. Yes, out.
呢一個係 Mahanakhon Gold Coin Souvenir， 有4個唔同樣嘅 pattern， 揀一樣要自己整出嚟嘅。如果你中意睇風景、睇日落同埋打卡嘅話，呢一度係絕對需要送嚟嘅。行完啦，而家我哋就上78樓去嗰度睇日落。去78樓有2個方式， 一個就係坐電梯，另外一個就係自己慢慢爬樓梯啦。
Actually feel very cooling. 先回去 go further up.
Yeah. The glass is there.
啊，
You want to go now or 真係多人嘅咧？
走唔到噶啦。
我哋喺74樓嗰度逗留到太耐咗，上到嚟呢度已經人山人海。要入去影相嘅話，首先需要攞一對襪，着上你而家嘅鞋，唔使除鞋嘅。要影幾耐絕對冇限時間嘅，但係你嘅 cameraman 唔可以入去企喺玻璃嗰度影，需要企喺出邊樓梯級嗰度影你。
我諗住呢個 glass 嘅地方係好大嘅，等嗰個 staircase 坐嘅位係好大嘅，點知係嚟到
係真係好細啫，好 limit 啫。如果冇早啲嚟嘅話，你真係好似而家咯，全部人坐喺旁邊，你點影喎？真係photo bomb 啊，大家 photo bomb one another 啦。Just now we managed to get ours is already considered very blessed.
Yes.
頭先喺 BTS station 嗰度行入嚟嘅時候，有睇到Mahanakhon Cube，原來係一個 food court 嚟嘅。呢度睇上嚟都幾多選擇下嘅，但係今晚我哋要去另外一個地方去試下 Michelin Guide 介紹嘅 Tom Yum Noodle 同埋牛奶啦，係去飲牛奶。呢一區其實呢係好靠近並國出名嘅朱拉隆功大學同埋以前嘅舊火車站，所以呢度嘅人潮係比較多啲。今日要試嘅第一間係好出名嘅 J.O. Chula Mama Noodles， 但係當我哋嚟到嘅時候已經係人山人海啦。如果唔想等咁耐嘅話，你可以喺下晝3點15分就開始排隊，佢哋4點先開門嘅。或者去之前先 install 呢個 apps 叫做 QQ， 你需要 register， 然後先 click into restaurant list， 喺入邊你揾下 J.O. Chula。From 呢個 apps 入邊，你就會睇到喺 J.O. Chula 需要等幾耐，所以 click into J.O. Chula and book 一個 number 啦。好似我哋 walk in 嘅人都需要 install 呢個 QQ apps book 一個 number 先可以訂到位嘅。While we are waiting， 所以我哋決定去對面街出名嘅 Milk Boy， 呢一間都係Michelin介紹嘅。喺呢度係最出名嘅係佢哋嘅麵包同埋佢哋嘅牛奶。當你 order 佢麵包嘅時候，你可以揀你中意嘅醬汁同埋 ice cream。所以我哋就揀咗 salted egg sauce with yuzu ice cream， 聽上嚟好似貴地，但係好好味。
蛋糕嘅，唔係
鹹蛋汁同埋佢嗰個麵包真係絕配啊！點樣？
真係好好味。OK。點樣？
細路哥時候飲chocolate milk 嘅 feeling。
咩 milk 啊？
細路哥嘅時候飲chocolate milk 嘅 feeling。
OK。
老實講，佢嘅味道同我哋本地呢度買嘅係完全唔一樣，真係好好飲嘅。所以你會睇到好多人企喺雪櫃嗰度，不停嘅揀，買上嘅唔係一兩支，係一兩打嘅。我哋都唔執輸，揀咗2支 Oreo 味道，一支 Thai milk tea， 一支 chocolate 同埋一個抹茶度。
陣間食辣嘅嘢飲落去啱噶啦。
食完之後發現到J.O. Chula嗰度仲未係時間，所以決定喺附近行下幾轉，睇下仲有咩美食。 我哋係8點出頭就攞咗號碼，等到差唔多11點幾先輪到我哋。當輪到你嘅時候，你嘅名就會出現喺呢個 DV 入邊，所以需要一直留意住呢個 DV。如果錯過之後，佢哋就會用俾第啲人㗎啦。
Spicy.
Medium.
Pork omelette.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn. 幾辣，
好辣嚇！
好食。
So does it work for your one and a half hour wait?
有好 explosion of flavour 係咪？
然後酸到好勁。
但係如果下次 order 嘅話，會 order 仲大啲。
嚇，你會 order 大碗啲啊
？OK，係。好腍喎個蛋，你唔會煮到個蛋完全露晒嗰種，變做好 moist 㗎，有啲似蒸蛋。如果想試多啲咧，就空肚嚟。頭先我哋已經食咗麵包啦，因為而家好夜咗。如果唔係以後真係可以試多幾樣嘢。因為其實佢仲有
3點3嚟啊，
係咯，下晝3點3嚟咯。佢嘅嘢真係有真材實料嘅，真係好食。
呢一條街其實有好多美食嘅。下一次如果我哋嚟曼谷嘅話，我一定下晝嘅時候就嚟咗呢度，試幾樣好食嘅，然後同大家分享。好啦，今日呢條片就分享到呢度，希望大家俾我少少嘅鼓勵 ，like 呢條片同埋 subscribe 我嘅 channel。下一個 vlog 將會帶大家去 Bangkok Siloam 嘅 Morning Market， 睇下 Bangkok 本地人朝早食咩早餐嘅。
哇，好大粒！哦，有咩咖啡啊？唔知喎，好似係。